Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Aning and today we are going to vibe code. I'm going to test the apps which is Lovable and Boat. So stay tuned to the end of the video because you are going to find out which is the best so that you don't go and waste your time. Okay, so you need to search Google and you're going to see Lovable there. I'm going to start with Lovable, then I'll jump onto Boat later. Okay, so I think before you be able to do anything, you have to create an account first. So you click on the get started. But before that, let me type in my prompt and see if it's going to work without an account. So you're going to build a fitness tracking app. Just as simple as that, with one prompt, nothing too complicated. And let's see what the AI can develop for us. Okay, so let's go ahead and sign up. Okay, connect with GitHub because that is what I prefer. You can continue with Gmail if you are not a technical person and you don't have GitHub. So you authorize and we are good to go. Yeah. So we will skip this part. All right. Let's proceed with our prompt. Okay. So it's working. It's working. So probably the preview is gonna be here. This is a free account. I don't have any upgrade on it. So it's okay. It started writing the index. I think it will be a one-page website. Yeah. Okay, the colors is going to be energetic gradient, blue to purple. I see clean card, bold typography, modern, clean cards, bold typography, motivational progress indicators here. Okay, so it's writing workout loggers. Okay, right. So let's check on both. Okay, so this is both. So I guess we have to sign up. Yeah, let's sign up with GitHub. Okay, authorize. Okay, so I'm going to put in the same prompt. Same prompt, I'm not going to add anything extra and let's see what we get from both. Okay, so Lovable is still working. It's still thinking, nothing yet. I think it's gonna go all out and get to the final design. So you can see both is creating files. It's gonna use JavaScript. So you can literally do this with no technical experience, zero technical experience. All you have to do is type English to the computer and let's see the results you are going to get. build on successful. Okay, let's fix this. I don't really know what happened, but for your code present, I get the error below. Please think step by step in order to resolve it. Let's see. Okay, so after the error, we get this fitness tracking. Wow. So let me try and make some changes. For instance, make because initially it said it's gonna make the colors blue to purple gradient, but I think it happened on the bottoms. Okay, so let's punch in some edits. So I'm gonna say make the background, oh sorry, make the background color ingredient of blue. Okay, so blue, white to blue, actually that's what I want. I'm gonna make sure I I tell it to keep the contrast so that we obviously don't miss out on some of the details. So let's see what it can provide for us. So let's check on both. Okay, both is still thinking and it's creating JavaScripts. So you can actually add new records here. Start. I see. This is quite interesting what you can build with just prompts. Wow. Wow. So you can actually just publish it, right? Although I'm waiting for my changes. Let's try the publish and see what we get to that. Our website is shipped. So let's copy the link. You can actually share this link with your friends and anyone can check your website live. But because I'm not using a custom domain, it's going to be launched on Lovable domain. So it's a subdomain that I am going to be using. So this is it. And it's actually going to work. Right. Add exercise. Missing information. So let's add running. Yeah. Okay. So that's not available. So I guess you can work on this. Scott is here, but they're telling me it's not available. So yes, you have to do more background works to add more records to the storage. Okay, let's check on both. Okay, preview on your mobile device. Wow. Okay. We prefer here on our laptop. So please focus on the job and get it done. The background has been updated. Let me go back and see if the background, it has not been updated, sorry, it has not been updated. Okay, So as you can see, they all have their downsides, unlike building your website manually. Interesting. Wow. So both is done, and this is what we got. Interesting. Fitness tracking app. I see. Interesting. I actually wanted a website. I mean, a desktop website, not this. Okay. So this is JavaScript. Get ignore. So let me see the workouts. Dumbbells. Play pause flame. Okay. Okay. So I think this will need more tweaks. Let me try and make some changes to the background. As Lovable couldn't deliver, let's see if both can deliver. So change the background color to a white, to blue. Okay, ingredients. Yes, let's go. So there's another tool, Cursor, which I prefer Cursor more. So I'm gonna test Cursor another time because I just wanted to do a quick check so that you can know what to choose, what tool you're going to use when you want to vibe code. Because apparently you have to try and learn the basics of coding. Because imagine you have no idea about what get ignore is, or your index, or the layout, or assets. You have no idea what they are, and you are facing some bugs. You find it difficult to um, rectify it. So it's good that you learn the basics as well. I'm not quite convinced. I'm not quite convinced, but it's a good start. Okay, so this gives you a tablet view and a mobile view. Interesting. Okay, so now I think we have a winner because we have three versions here. Meanwhile, I don't know why both decides to give us only a mobile version. Let me see. Okay, so this is the desktop version, I assume. Yeah. Overall, I think Lovable is doing a great job. Although it couldn't change my background. What is it saying? The background has been updated. Sorry, the background has not been updated. This is not what I want. But I think it has done something. You can see it's very faint. It's very faint. It's not bad. I wanted it to be a little more visible, but yeah, of course. Okay, so you can see it is doing a job. Okay, so you can keep on prompting it to get what you want, and it can be published right away. So let's say you have a business, you want to build a portfolio, you can just publish it or buy a custom domain and you connect into your domain, right? That's quite impressive. Okay, so Bolt is also trying hard to change the background for us. Okay, so I think you can also deploy to web. It's a little bit more complicated with Bolt if you want to deploy because Lovable gave me a straightforward option. Add your custom domain or use a subdomain and you are good to go. You feel me? So apparently you have to know what is good for you because Bolt is taking a while trying to change the background. I've updated the fitness tracking. Okay, yeah. So let's see. Let's see. Okay, guys. Yeah, it's okay. I don't need to send that. Okay, so we'll end this here. This was able to be deployed. Anybody you share this link with, the person might be able to check your website. So you can literally send this to your friends and family for them to know what you've built under 5 minutes or whatsoever with just a single prompt. It's quite incredible. Okay, guys, thank you. Kindly subscribe because I'm gonna keep updating you with any update in this tech industry so that you wouldn't have to waste your time on unnecessary updates. When you see it here, you go and you test it out. It's already been tested, so you should know what's going to help you. That is what I'm going to do. I'm going to just give you good products. All right, guys. So I'm going to leave you here.